Al-Bahar Excavation and Building Contracting has been a trusted infrastructure contractor in Bahrain for over 3 decades. Within an AA grade since its start in 1993. We deeply value our clients and suppliers for their trust and loyalty, which has allowed us to become a preferred contractor for specialized projects. We have had a strong and collaborative partnership with Al-Bahar since 1995. This long-term relationship has been critical in our mutual success in the region. We have had a very positive experience with SEM loaders and compactors. Their ability to increase productivity has resulted in major improvements such as shorter project completion times and reduced downtime, allowing our team to work efficiently without interruptions. Before implementing Al-Bahar CSA, our company faced significant challenges with machines availability and high maintenance costs. These factors risk our operational efficiency and productivity. We partnered with Al-Bahar to implement their CSA program. The decision marked a turning point for our business, and our machine uptime has increased, reaching an impressive 95%. This translates to minimize downtime and maximize productivity.
Due to the complexity of the projects Al-Bahar normally undertake, maintaining optimal machine availability and minimizing downtime is crucial for them. In collaboration with our valued customer, we continuously strive to improve these metrics. The CSA represents a key solution in achieving these objectives. By having the CSA in place, we ensure timely preventive maintenance, maximizing uptime and minimizing disruption to core business's operation. With a team of highly skilled technicians performs all maintenance tasks, guaranteeing the quality and efficiency of the service is done. Furthermore, in-depth oil analysis provides valuable insight into internal health, enabling customers to identify any potential issues. The CSA empowers our customer to concentrate in their core business activities, with the peace of mind that their machines are operating at peak performance with a better return on investment.